Guys, there is another option here on our detail box about this video, so we can also AI stylize it. This is basically in the pro version that we are going to buy in of CapCut. It is not available in the free version, so I have the pro version. So I am going to tell you about this whole procedure. How can we work on this settings or these tools? So first of all, I'm going to select this tool here. I'm going to allow it. Now, now it needs some photo here to place on our clip here. So I have already downloaded one photo here like this. So I'm going to AI stylize here. I'm going to select the whole effect option here. So as you can see that here we have hundreds of options arrive on our screens, that scrambling, all paints, comics, comics 3, and I'm going to select the oil paints. So you can see that our logo has converted into the oil paint. When I'm going to select the scrambling, I'm going to increase the shape of that logo here. So basically this tool is used to edit the sticker that we have going to use in our video. So AI style is used to modify the sticker or the video which we are going to use in our editing video. So I'm going to delete this video sticker here. Now we come to our stickers here. So these stickers are basically used in the YouTube videos when you are going to make some YouTube videos. So simply you have to come here and drag it here. So this comes here. You can add some animations here. So how does it comes and how does it goes out, like that and out. Okay, so this is the basic purpose of the stickers tools here. Then we have the option of text. As you know that if you want to put any text or any message in your clip or your video, so you can put it by selecting the option of text and default text, and then you have to put the option, the note, what you have to put, what you have to write in your clip. You can put it by the help of this text option. Then we have the audio option here. So it provides us the sound effects, the audio sound effects, the music that we can put in our video for the background. So I'm going to download one of the audio effect here. So I'm going to simply pick up here and I'm going to drag it on our chart here. So now our song is also placed along with our video like this. I hope you understand that what I'm going to tell you. Then we have the copyright. If the any song that have the copyright option here, so you can check it by clicking on copyrights and then check it. So if the song has the copyright restrictions, then it will bring the song here. Then you can simply just delete the song. And my suggestion is that don't put any copyright song in your video, so that it will take and strike to your video, to your clips on YouTube. Then we have the extract audio, the audio that you have downloaded in your PC. You can import it here and you can simply drag it and play it along with your videos. Then you have the TikTok sounds that provided by TikToks here. You have to sign into your TikTok account. Then the whole sound effect of TikTok will appear here. Then you have the band music, the music that is given by the CapCut. In the CapCut, you have to you have to put your email address here. Simply, it takes some light time for loading here. So you have to put your email address and then password. Then it will sign up you to the CapCut, and then you have to simply just download the whole music that you want to put in your video, and you simply again drag it and place it on the clip chart and simply just use it. Then again, import to import your videos which you want to edit. Then spaces here and stock matters and brand assessed, that it have the variety of options that makes your video more suitable and more beautiful here. So basically the CapCut is the basic tool, the basic software to edit your video with very ease and very easy working. So my personal suggestion for you all who are watching my video is always use the paid version of CapCut. It provides you the variety of options here, the variety of tools, the variety of effects in your video, so you can simply just work more interestingly into your video. So always work creatively. If you are new to this video, so learn one by one. I have already told the whole course step by step, so learn it step by step. If you don't understand anything from this video, so simply just reverse your video back and see it again, and then you will know that how to use the video. And if you are already on the CapCut Studio, so just simply I have told you some tricks and tips here. So don't be scared, don't be over clever. Always use your creativity in your editing, in your video clips editing, and make it more beautiful and more suitable. So this was the basic lesson of CapCut, and I hope you all have understand it very nicely and very properly. If anyone does not understand it, so just simply drag it back and play it again, and you will know that what I'm going to convey you through my video. So this is all about the CapCut. I hope my lesson will make many sense in your mind, in your life, and it will be very helpful in your further coming life when you are going to edit your video. My lesson will always helpful for you to make and good editing videos, and I hope that you will always impressed with my videos. So for today, this is the whole course of CapCut. So there is an other advancement of CapCut, so that we will discuss in another video in other course. So take care, bye, and thank you.